ഗുഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർനൂൺ. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് കണക്ക് പഠിക്കാം. ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ക്രീനിൽ 2 ലൈൻസ് കാണുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? ആ 2 ലൈൻസും പാരലൽ ലൈൻസാണ്. നമുക്കൊരു പേര് കൊടുക്കാം അതിന്. എ ബി. ലൈൻ എ ബി ഈസ് പാരലൽ ടു ലൈൻ സി ഡി. ഓക്കെ, ലൈൻ സി ഡി. And I'm going to draw a line which intersects A, B and CD like this. Let me give the name PQ. We know the name PQ is a transversal. What is the name? Transversal. PQ is a transversal of AB and CD, which intersects AB at M and AB at M and CD at S. Okay. Now let me draw a star. Look, children, this is a star. Can you say the place of the star, position of the star? Is it in the outer part of the parallel lines? No, it's in the inner part of the parallel line. Inside. Interior part. What's the word? Interior part. The star is in the interior part of the parallel lines. Now, what about the yellow star? Is it in the interior part? No, it is in the exterior part. Exterior, outer, exterior part. And what about the green star? It is also in the exterior part, isn't it? And what about this pink star? It is in the interior part. So we can say the red star and the pink star are in the interior part of the parallel lines, and the green and yellow stars are in the exterior part. Okay, I think now you are clear with the words interior and exterior. Okay, now let me mark an angle. This is the angle. Let me shade it with red color. Okay, red color angle. Okay. Red color angle. And its measurement is, what is the measurement? It is 80 degree. 80 degree. Now, can you say another angle with 80 degree? Yes, this is an 80 degree angle, this one. The reason is this is the opposite angle of this 80 degree angle, isn't it? Yes. Now another 80 degree angle. Yes, this one. 80 degree angle. Why is it 80 degree? Can you say the reason? Yes, there are 2 reasons. What is it? One is it is the 80 degree angle. These 2 angles are alternate angles, aren't they? Yes, they are alternate angles, so it is 80 degree. And what about these 2 angles? They are corresponding angles. This 80 degree is corresponding angle of this 80 degree angle and alternate angle of this 80 degree angle. Clear? Okay. Another 80 degree angle is here. It has also reasons. It has 3 reasons. What is the reason for being 80 degree? This one is the opposite angle of this 80 degree angle. One reason. Another one, this is the corresponding angle of this 80 degree angle, isn't it? Another reason is this one is the alternate angle of this 80 degree angle. isn't it? Very interesting, isn't it? Okay. Now, can you see the ankle measurement of this ankle? What will be the ankle measurement of this one? Very good. It is 100 degree. Why is it 100 degree? Linear pair of this 80 degree angle. So it is 100 degree. Can you see another 100 degree angles? Here is one. Because this 100 degree two angles are opposite angles. Isn't it? And another 100 degrees here. This 100 degree. Because why is it 100 degree? These two angles are corresponding angles. Very good. Also, this is the linear pair of this 80 degree angle. Also, the linear pair of this 80 degree angle. Good, good, good. And also, the alternate angle of this 100 degree angle. These two angles are alternate angles. So, for one fact, there are many reasons, isn't it? Here also it is 100 degree. Okay. What an interesting fact is this, isn't it? What is the reason for this 100 degree angle? Can you say? Opposite angle of this 100 degree angle. These two are opposite angles. And these two are corresponding angles. And these two are alternate angles. Clear? Okay. Now, we are pairing angles in another way. Here, we are not pairing the equal angles. That is very important. We are not pairing the equal angles. We are not considering the equal angles. Here, we are pairing angles in the interior side. Two angles from the interior side, also at the same side of the transversal. The same side of the transversal. Okay. Then which are the angles? Can you see? One is this red one, and I am shading this also as red. This angle and this angle both are in the interior side of the parallel lines and in the left side of the transversal, isn't it? The measurements are different. Okay. One is 80 degree and one is 100 degree. Okay. Let me write the name of the angles. Angle A M Q. Something is wrong with my Q, isn't it? Okay, M is also got some mistakes. Angle AMQ and angle CSP. What is the speciality of these angles? They are in the interior side of the parallel lines and the same side of the transversal or the cutting line, isn't it? Such a pair of angles is known as co-interior angles. What's the name? Co-interior. Interior interior എന്ന് വായിക്കാം. Co-interior angles. Okay? Can you say another pair of co-interior angles from this figure? Yeah, this here is one. One angle is here and one is here. Isn't it? What's the name? BMQ. Angle BMQ and angle DSP. How many angle pairs are there? Here one and here one. One pair on one side of the transversal and the other side of the transversal. When two parallel lines are cutting by a transversal, that forms two pair of co-interior angles. Okay, the speciality is they are at the same side of the transversal and both are in the interior side of the parallel line. And what is the speciality of their measurement? Here one is 80 degree, this is 100 degree. 100 plus 80 is 180 degree, isn't it? 180 degree. What about these two angles? 100 plus 80, 180 degree. Can you say the speciality of two angles, the name of two angles whose sum is 180 degree? What is the name of that such a pair? Yes, supplementary angles. They are supplementary. Supplementary angles. So, co-angles are always supplementary. Co-interior angles and there are another type of angles, co-exterior angles. I will explain it later. Co-interior angles are supplementary, also co-exterior angles are supplementary. Okay, co-interior angles means the angles in the interior part of the parallel line and in the same center of the transversal. Their sum is always 180 degree. So we can say two angles in a co-interior angle pair will be supplementary, always supplementary. Okay. Thank you. Now we can draw another two parallel lines. These two lines are parallel and a line is a transversal. We can give names for the lines. A, B, C, D and PQ is the transversal. PQ is the transversal which cuts AB at M and CD at S. Okay. Okay. In the previous example, we give this angle as 100 degree and this one is 80 degree, isn't it? Again this 80 degree, this 100 degree, this one 80 degree, this 100 degree, this one 80 degree and this one 100 degree. Very easy, isn't it? Okay. Now we are pairing angles which are in the same side of the transversal. But here we are considering angles in the outer part of the parallel line. Outer part, exterior part. Isn't it? Which are the angles? First I am considering this one. And the name is PMB. Isn't it? Angle PMB. Its pair should be in the right side of the transversal but in the outer part of the parallel line. So its pair is this one. Children, this one and this one are in the right side of the transversal but in the outer part of the two parallel lines. PMB DSQ. Angle DSQ. Such a pair of angles are known as co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. What's the speciality of co-exterior angles? They are in the same side of the transversal and in the outer part or exterior part of the parallel lines. Can you say something about their measurements? Here one is 100 degree, this one is 80 degree, and the sum is 180 degree. So we can say they are also supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Co-exterior angles are also supplementary angles. Is there any other pair of co-exterior angle? Yeah. Which is that this 80 degree angle. This one, its pair is here. This one. Okay. Let me write their names here. PMA. Angle PMA. And angle CSQ. CSQ. Another pair of co-exterior angles. When two parallel lines are cutting by a transversal, there forms two pair of co-exterior angles. They are in the same side of the transversal and they are in the exterior part of the parallel lines. The sum of the two angles in an exterior angle pair. In an exterior angle pair is always 180 degree, or we can say the angles in an exterior angle pair are always supplementary. Clear? Okay, thank you.